So, this is gonna be fun. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. If you happen to like this video and want to see more videos like it, do me a favor and maybe even yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notifications. We upload Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and even sometimes on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and occasionally a Saturday. So you'll want to be notified of all those things. So anyway, today, well actually yesterday by the time you're watching this video, was a big day for console gamers. The Xbox Series X, as well as the stupid Xbox Series S, but we're not going to talk about that one, was released. And of course, as with every new console launch, there were, well, shortages, and it's been selling out everywhere. So you would think I wouldn't have much to talk about because clearly I didn't get one. Clearly, I don't know anything about how to get these consoles on launch day. Except I do. Oh, there it is. The Xbox Series S. Not S, X. See, Microsoft, this is why you have brand confusion. But then you did name your last system the Xbox One. So there it is. 1 terabyte SSD. Power your dream. So folks, we're going to do something that we rarely do, but are always fun. We are going to do an unboxing of the Xbox Series X. Let's go to the couch where it's more comfortable. Alright, so here we go. Let's unbox this sucker. So we've got a very nice box so far.
Oh, you got a Christmas gift.
Honey.
Christmas, Christmas.
Honey? Honey, oh, where are you going with that?
Christmas, Christmas, Christmas.
But the unboxing video.
Christmas, Christmas.
Honey, the unboxing video.
Christmas, Christmas.
I'd like to unbox it for my channel.
This will be fun to open on Christmas.
You know it's my birthday next week, right?
Christmas. Scissors, please. All done.
Yay. So
Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
well, that was anticlimactic. See y'all Friday.